welcome to the AB Auto channel. So today I'm going to show you how to replace the high beam bulb replacement because mine went bad, so I'm going to replace it. So if you grab yourself a flathead screwdriver, you want to undo this screw. Then down here there's normally one located there, and then you have to undo this one here. So then behind here, this tab, you want to rotate it anti-clockwise until you hear it snap. Then you just want to wriggle the headlight unit out like that. Then here is the headlight unit connector. So you want to unplug this. Then the headlight unit should be free. So now I've got it out the car. So this is the one that I need to replace. So to remove the one that's broken, you simply twist it anti-clockwise and it pops out. So I'm going to be installing these. So these are the new LED bulbs. So simply you slot it in here, and you want to make sure that when it's inserted that this black cable is facing vertically down, so that you know that it's the right direction, because it has to be this way, because if it's in that way it will just blind everyone. So there should be some notches where it fits in, and then you have to give it a little push in. So I managed to get it in, and as you can see, the black cable is vertically up, which means the bulb is perfectly aligned inside the headlight unit. Then you just get your connector and you connect it up like that, and then putting it back in is the same in reverse. So you just slot your headlight unit back in, then plug that connector back in, go turn your headlights on to full beam, and this light should illuminate. If it doesn't, then unplug this connector, and so unplug this connector and then just connect it in the other way around. If it doesn't illuminate, then it should illuminate, because then it's the correct polarity. So I hope you enjoyed the video. That's how to install an LED bulb in a Ford Puma Mk1.